Zander The Science Kid. Today I'm going to be doing a magic bouncing ball. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more awesome Zander The Science Kid videos.
Zander The Science Kid.
Okay, let's see what's inside this magic bouncing ball kit. Goodbye, trash. Okay, let's get started. There's some tape on it. There's tape on it, so let's get out. I'm guessing we have something. I remember it. These are sharp.
Under adult supervision, Zander is using a butter knife to cut the tape. Always be careful when using sharp objects, and make sure to have adult supervision.
Let's get ready. Now it's time to open it. Wow! Wow! Look at this. There's a bunch of colorful packets. Now organize your parts. Goodbye. Okay, we have got mold, plastic molds, and we have got colorful packets. $25 bags of crystal powder. You know how much crystal that is? And we have got 5 molds. For this science experiment, you will need water and a cup and crystals.
Step 1. Before making your magic bouncy balls, find a flat work surface and cover it with either newspaper, paper towels, or a plastic garbage bag so you don't make a big mess.
Okay, thank you, Ziva, for telling me. You can use a garbage bag or a cloth. I'm just going to use a garbage bag.
Step 2. Fill a cup with tap water about halfway full and have it ready to use.
Okay, thank you, Ziva. Wow, that just, what? Okay, so I'm gonna use glue.
Step 3. Begin by selecting the mold colors that you would like to use. Assemble the molds by snapping the two halves together.
Thank you, Ziva. I'm gonna be doing the giant ones. How cool is that when they snap together? This is tricky. This is tricky. These are spheres. And now we also have cubes. And these are the last.
Step 4. Use the safety scissors to cut off 1/4 of the magic crystal color packet and carefully fill the mold with crystals. You can layer the crystals to make the bouncy balls multicolored.
Thank you, Ziba. So you have to get your safety scissors and and cut the corner of the packet and fill up the mold with the crystals. I'm just going to do it a little bit larger. And now I'm going to use the yellow. And also you can mix your color. Make sure to have it all the way full. I'm going to use a tiny little bit of pink. I think I put a little too much. I'm just going to dust it up.
Step 5. Now place the mold in the cup with water in an upright position and hold it submerged underwater for about 2 minutes.
Thank you. Okay, bye. This is going to take a while. We're just going to fast forward the video. It's hardening up, but it's feeling a little bit soft, the crystals. Ooh, it looks so cool. Did you know that crystals are actually formed from like a solid? They're a solid. And the crystals were actually made from particles. They're compressed. That's one fact about crystals.
Step 6. After 2 minutes, you can remove the mold out of the cup of water and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes while the magic bouncy ball forms inside the mold.
Oh wow, thank you, Ziva. While this one's firming up, I'm going to be doing another one. Science is all about having fun. Oops. Now I'm going to put it in the water. This is a really fun science experiment. I can't wait to bounce the ball around. Okay, this one's all done. I'm going to be doing another one. They look so bouncy and soft. I'm going to do this large one. I'm going to use the rest of the yellow in this one. Now I'm going to put it inside. I'm just going to add a tiny little bit. Okay. Now you can see the crystals inside forming into solid. They're like soft when they start to form. This one looks big when it's underwater. This time I'm going to be doing the teeniest, tiniest one. I'm going to set this one just to dry. Look at my hands. I'm going to do this tiny one. I'm sure I'm just seeing all this. Now I'm gonna put it in the water to sit for 2 minutes. Okay, so this last one is going to be a cube ball. I'm going to set this tiny one to sit so it can harden up and turn into a bouncy ball. It's a little messy. Well, like a bunch of messy. Now I'm going to put it in the water. And wait 2 minutes. It's so messy, and my mom's gonna make me clean this whole messy room. I can't wait to see how bouncy these balls are. It'll be like flying down. Up and down. There you go. I'm going to set the cup aside. So first I'm going to let these dry for a little bit, and then I'll open them. For now I'm going to clean up my mess.
Step 8. Carefully pry the plastic mold apart to reveal your magic bouncy ball.
Thank you, Ziva. I'm gonna try it though. Oh. What? Try to take out. I saw. Oh. I'm gonna be doing. You know what I'm gonna be doing? This one. What? It's blue and green. It's hard to get out. I'm gonna set these aside. Now I'm gonna do the large one. What? It's yellow, blue, and pink. Whoa! That's a big one. I'm gonna do the generous one. What? About to get gonna go get it. Let's see if they bounce. I'm gonna try this. This one's like a cube that bounces like that. Whoopsies. I'm gonna try this one. Not too bad. I'm gonna try this big. That was loud. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this one. That was so funny. Now I'm gonna get them all back. This was such a fun science experiment. I love how colorful the balls are, and they are so bouncy. I definitely recommend the science experiment kit. And don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more awesome Zander The Science Kid.